Dear student, last lecture was about packages tool installation for RNA-seq data analysis. As you know, we install RNA Toolkit, Fast QC, and try Momatic. So now in today's lecture, we will fetch, we will download, we will retrieve data from our SRA NCBI database. So for this, we have command. It's a command to fetch your data. So this is my SRA ID. Before SRA ID, researcher student must know about the type of SRA data. Either it is parent or singlet. In my case, this ID contain parent. Now we have downloaded the SRA. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy this video.